Welcome to this tutorial on the floor function in NumPy. Today we'll learn how to use np.floor to round numbers down to the nearest integer. This is a fundamental mathematical operation that you'll use frequently in data science and numerical computing. The floor function rounds a number down to the nearest integer that is less than or equal to the input value. In mathematical notation, we write this as the floor of x equals the largest integer less than or equal to x. Think of it as always rounding toward negative infinity, regardless of whether the number is positive or negative. Let's see some concrete examples. 3.7 rounds down to 3. Negative 2.3 rounds down to negative 3, not negative 2, because negative 3 is less than negative 2.3. 5.0 stays as 5 since it's already an integer, and negative 7.9 rounds down to negative 8. Notice how negative numbers always move toward more negative values. The syntax is straightforward. First, import NumPy as np for a single value. Use np.floor with the number in parentheses. For multiple values, create a NumPy array and pass it to np.floor. The function works element-wise on arrays, applying the floor operation to each value independently. Here's a complete working example. We create an array with 4 values, 4.8, negative 2.1, 7.5, and negative 9.7. When we apply np.floor, we get 4, negative 3, 7, and negative 10 respectively. Notice that the output is an array of floating point numbers, even though they represent integers. Let's review the key points. First, floor always rounds down toward negative infinity. Second, it works with scalars, arrays, and matrices of any dimension. Third, the function returns floating point type by default, not integers. And finally, remember that negative numbers round to more negative values, which is the most common source of confusion for beginners. Understanding this behavior is crucial for correct numerical computations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.